In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header and footer in Google Slides. Knowing how to add these elements can be quite handy for maintaining consistency throughout your presentation, especially if you need to provide information such as the date, slide number, or even your company's name on each slide. Let's dive straight into the process. First things first, we need to open Google Slides. So head over to your Google Slides and open up the presentation where you'd like to add a header and footer. If you don't have a presentation ready yet, that's no problem. You can create a new one by clicking on the plus icon to start with a clean slate. Now that you have your presentation open, it's worth noting that Google Slides doesn't have a built-in header or footer feature, the same way some other presentation software might. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround that we can easily incorporate. To begin, navigate to the slide where you want to start adding your header and footer. We're going to use the Master Slide feature to apply these elements across your entire presentation. Click on Slide, located at the top of your screen, then select Edit Master. This will bring up a new screen showing a collection of slides on the left side, each representing different layouts used in your presentation. The topmost slide here, often larger in appearance, is the Master Slide. On this slide, let's add a text box for your header. Click on the text box icon in the toolbar and place it at the top of the master slide. You can type anything you need here, perhaps your name, the presentation title, or a simple logo if you have one inserted as an image. It's crucial to maintain consistent formatting, so adjust the font and size to your liking, keeping it readable but not overly large since this will repeat on every slide. Next, it's time to add the footer. Just like you did with the header, click the text box icon again and drag it to the bottom of the master slide. Here, you could include slide numbers, a date, or any other relevant information you want visible on each slide. For numbering, type 1 to indicate the starting slide number, and Google Slides will automatically account for consecutive numbers. To format your footer text uniformly, you might copy the header's styling, ensuring a cohesive look throughout. Once you're happy with how everything looks, just click X to close out of the master slide view. All your changes should be automatically applied across your slides, providing a consistent header and footer visible during your presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully added headers and footers to your Google Slides presentation. Remember, you can always come back to the master slide to make adjustments as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your presentations with ease.